Most people think wealth is just about having a big bank account or driving a fancy car. But what if I told you there are 3 levels of wealth that go way deeper, and most people never make it past level 1, where they look rich to people on the outside. But one job loss, emergency or downturn, and their lifestyle collapse. Welcome back to Wealthwise Mindset, your go-to place for unlocking financial freedom and true abundance. Today we're diving into the 3 levels of wealth. Ready to move beyond surface-level success and start building lasting wealth? Stick around. We're helping you pinpoint where you're at and help move you up the wealth ladder. If you're serious about changing your financial future, subscribe and join the Wealthwise community, where we share tips to help you plan and safeguard your financial future. Let's dive in. Level 1. The illusion of wealth. What it is: you earn a decent income, pay your bills, go on vacations, maybe even own a house. To the outside world, you look rich. But if your income stopped tomorrow, you'd be in trouble fast. The trap? You're still trading time for money. One job loss, emergency or downturn, and your lifestyle collapses. There's no cushion. Here are some signs you might be at level 1. You rely entirely on your job. You have consumer debt like credit cards or car payments, and you live paycheck to paycheck, even though your income is pretty decent. Some people in this situation sometimes feel stuck but just can't figure out why. This is where most people others consider to be rich spend their whole lives. But honestly, it is dangerously fragile, and one change that might happen overnight could lead to their financial ruins. Level 2. Financial freedom. Now, what does financial freedom really mean? Well, at this level, your passive income actually covers your lifestyle. You're not necessarily rich in the traditional sense, but you do have real freedom. You can wake up and choose what you want to do, not just work because you have to survive. You've made it here if your investments like real estate, dividends, or businesses cover your living expenses. Plus, you've got about 6 to 12 months of emergency savings, and you could quit your job tomorrow and still live comfortably. Why does this matter? Well, this is where real control over your life actually begins. Your time is yours. You no longer work just for survival. You work for purpose. This is where your money works for you. You're out of the rat race and is able to spend more time with family and doing things you love. You're not just earning, you have freedom and peace of mind. Level 3. Legacy wealth. So, what is legacy wealth? You've not only secured your future, you're building systems, businesses, and assets that will outlive you. You're creating generational wealth. How do you know you're here? Well, you have multi-generational financial plans. You own scalable businesses or high-value assets. You're teaching others, your children, your community, to manage and grow wealth. You don't just want money, you want impact. Legacy isn't about millions. It's about meaning. This level is about lasting influence. Your name becomes a blueprint for wealth in your family or community. At this level, money becomes a tool for transformation. You're no longer playing the game. You're designing it for the success of your family and future generations to come. So, where are you on the 3 levels of wealth ladder? Level 1 might look good on the outside, but real freedom starts at level 2. Comfortable living is fine, but don't confuse it for true wealth. Start building systems today that move you to level 2 and beyond. If you're ready to break out of the cycle and start working towards building real, lasting wealth, this channel is for you. Hit that subscribe button and join the Wealthwise Mindset community, where we don't just talk about money. We discuss tools, hacks, and practical steps that can be taken to help master your financial future. Let us hear from you. Drop a comment below and let us know which level you're working toward. And remember, true wealth begins in your thinking, not your wallet. See you in the next one.